Hello everyone. Once again, I'm Era, your future educator. Now, we're gonna be talking about select and use ICT tools for teaching and learning. The lesson outcomes would be selected and use an appropriate digital tool in teaching and provided alternative ways in incorporating the digital tool in lesson. What is ICT? ICT stands for Information, Communication, and Technology. This refers to various tools and devices or gadgets used in communicating, disseminating, creating, storing, and managing information. According to George Couros, technology will never replace great teachers, but technology in the other hands of great teachers is transformational. Why ICT integration in education? First, it allows creativity. Second, easy processing of information. It also allows effective collaboration. It allows easy showing of resources. And lastly is effective accessibility to resources. Using mobile phone and a QR code, a code that was developed by Japanese corporation Dentsu Wave in 1994. QR code stands for Quick Response. It allows reader to decode information at high rate of speed. Popular in Japan, and it is also used by companies as they attach their QR code in their products. It usually gives a URL linking you to a website or immediately provides salient information about the product. Steps in making QR code. First is be online. Search for a QR code generator and ensure that you read the information about the application. Once you have identified your free online QR code generator, you can now encode the text and the information that you want. Run it and save it as JPEG file. Now you have successfully created your own code which you can download. Test the QR code using your QR code reader or scanner. Now, let's proceed to the 10 interesting ways to integrate QR codes in your teaching. First is create interactive and engaging content. You can enrich the content you teach in class by using QR codes that link to other readings and resources. Second is scavenger hunt. Create an interactive classroom activity such as scavenger's hunt by using QR codes that provide directions or instructions resulting in better learner engagement. Third is share resources. Learners can use QR codes to share educational resources with each other. Fourth is enhanced classroom library. Create QR codes of students' brief write-ups about why they enjoy their book and put them right in or in the books in the class library. Next is use in classroom activities. It can be used giving instructions in class and pen them up inside a classroom instead of providing them with thick copies of printed materials giving instructions on how to do an activity. Gather students' feedback. You can create surveys, polls, and forms using Google Form and share them with students as QR Google codes, which can be easily scanned and accessed. Next, provide help with homework. A detailed code which students scan at home and use the information to help them comply with their assignment. Next is research project. Make students create QR codes linking other resources and web content to their research work. The next one is communicate with parents or partners. You can share information to parents on school events and activities in school. The last one is provide easy access to online content. Create QR codes with URLs for students to gain easy access to online resources. What is an infographics? It is a visual representation or an image such as diagram, chart, or picture representing information or data. It is an eye-catching and makes use of a clear layout, attractive colors and use, and caricature that provide a cohesive presentation of the information. One tool that can be used in creating infographics is Canva. Using infographics. First is to present survey data. Infographics can be highly useful in presenting statistical data such as from surveys. Second is to simplify a complex concept. Simplifying a complex idea is the core purpose of using an infographics. Number 3 is to explain how something functions. It can show the intricacy of how something complex works. It can reveal the mechanics behind how an object works. Next is to compare. Presenting information by highlighting similarities and differences through a visual parallel in an infographic can turn out more effective than sometimes expressing it in words. Lastly is to present interesting facts. It can transform the information into visual image that can attract and engage readers. Steps in making your own infographics. Step 1. You need to be online. Step 2. Search for Canva, Vismin, or Vengage among others. Step 3. Create or sign up an account if you still do not have one in order to design your own infographics. In step 4, this involves procedure. First, choose the most suitable template for your use from the library. You may use images from their file or upload your own picture. Make a cohesive layout containing correct and essential information. You can choose a background and font style. You may change your color of boxes and the text to suit your style and add stunning filters to add flair. Save the image of the infographics. Share the infographics you have created. iPad or tablet and the online bulletin board. Steps. Search for the link provided. Sign up or log in using of your social media account. If you want to make your own, click Make a Padlet. You can choose Start with a blank or pick a template. Start making posts by clicking the plus sign. Make your post as creative as you can by clicking Modify and selecting your choice of color, font, theme, and etc. You can share your Padlet online bulletin board to your friends. If you want to join someone's bulletin board, click Join a Padlet. Enter in dialog box the URL of the Padlet you want to join. Start posting on your friends or classmates' Padlet by clicking plus sign. Using your gadget, connect to the web and explore to the following educational application tools. First, Quiz Maker, Poll Maker, Storytelling Online, Rubrics Library, Online Journal, Mind Map Tool, Interactive Program, Graphic Organizers, Making Podcast, Cartoon. As we can see, technology is everywhere. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Thank you for watching.